Welcome. This is a video in the series, How to Rumble. In this video I will explain what the difference is between an account and a channel on Rumble. First I search for my account name by filling in my account name in the search bar. At the top of the page the accounts and channels are shown. Below we see the videos. I choose my account by clicking. This is my account page, with all the videos I uploaded to Rumble. All the videos have a title and the channel or account name. If the video is not added to a channel yet, I have two channels named Ben Film and How to Rumble. This is my channel, Ben Film. So first you need to make an account to upload videos. All the uploaded videos will be shown on your account. When you have an account you can create one or more channels. You can add the uploaded videos shown in your account to one of the channels. You can create a channel by clicking on Create a Channel. In my video, Create a Channel, you can follow the steps how to create one and how you can add videos to that channel. If you click on your account thumbnail, a menu opens. Choose My Channels. On this page you can manage, edit or delete your channels. It also shows the number of subscribers. This is my second channel, How to Rumble. You can sort the videos by most recent or views. You can date the videos by today, last week, last month, last year or all time. You can choose to select any, short or long, for the duration of the videos. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please give it a like and join my channel to watch more tutorials about how to Rumble. Thanks again, and if you have a question, please use the comment box here below.